Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be working on the RAV4. So keep watching because I have something for the 5th gen owner out there. Come on, join me. Alright, so what are we gonna do on the RAV4? Very simple. We're just gonna put some liners on the cup holders and other console area that we can put the liner on. So I got this set from Amazon. If you want to purchase a set, I'll put the link in the description below, or you can try your luck by following me on Instagram. Just comment hashtag forgedgarage on the picture that I will post. I have an extra set that I'll be giving away. So the one that I'll be giving away is in black. The one that I'll be installing on this RAV4 is wine red. So that will give me an extra accent inside the car. The wine red is not so bright, not a bright red. I like the wine red color. It gives a little class, or yeah, it's nice inside for sure. So let me show you where we're gonna put this liners, and let me show you also the liners themselves. So come on, let's go. All right, so these are the liners that we're gonna be installing on our RAV4. This RAV4, basically, this will be driven by my wife soon, so I need to keep it clean, all right, so that it will look tidy inside because she'll be driving it. So yep, so again, I have a black set. If you're interested, try your luck on Instagram, just follow me, and I'll be giving away the black set. All right, and yeah, so let's go on the car. Let me show you. Again, these are multi-piece. They're available on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. And yeah, so the material on this, it's good. I like it. It's pretty nice. It's thick. It's very thick material, synthetic leather, basically, and it has some double-sided tape in here. I'm not sure what these are or where to put them, probably to avoid sliding on which one, I don't know, but again, quality wise, they're nice. So let's go inside and let me show you which one we're gonna put this. So as you can see here, again, I apologize, it's dirty. We're gonna be installing one in there, gonna be installing in here. Even this one, it has a cutout or a liner for it, so there will be one in here also, and I believe there will be some in here. So every pockets, console, on the console here, also on the dash in there will be a liner, that long one. Again, let's do it. Okay, so we're going to put the liners in here. I already cleaned this one up because it's a little dirty. All of the ice cream, whatever, they're all in there, so I kind of cleaned it up a little bit. This one, it's been cleaned already, same. So we're gonna put all of the liners in there, and the other cup holders, bottle holders in here, in the door. This one, again, everything, even the back, we're gonna be putting some liners. All right, so again, this is the before on how it looks like. All right, and come on, let's just quickly drop them in there. Okay, so I have some of the pieces in here. I think this one goes in here. Yep, it fits perfectly in there. So, and now this one, this small piece, that goes in there. This one goes to that center console. Again, it looks nice already. Again, gives you just a little accent, not overdoing it, just a little touch of red in there. Again, it looks nice. Okay, so basically we're done. So again, it's an easy thing to do, easy DIY to make your interior pop up a little bit. Again, it's nothing over. Again, nice touch of red in here. Again, we have one liner in here. We got one in there in the middle. Even this tiny spot in here that there's really no use. Our cup holder in the middle. The one on the passenger side. And the doors. All doors, they do have. Alright, so even the rear passenger door, they have it here. So if you can see there, so everything. So even the center console, our storage in here, that one also have one. Again, the rear armrest, the cup holders in the armrest, they do have it, but I did not install. Probably it's either one of these two in here. I'm not sure, but there's an extra one. I'm not sure if this is the extra one or this is an extra one that I don't know where it goes. So, and this one I don't know where it goes. Same thing with this one. Probably in other variants. This one have uses, but not on my 2021 XLE. So yeah, so this one basically, these are double-sided tape or adhesive that I can probably use on the long one there in the front passenger side. Yeah, so again, if you want to try your luck, I'll be giving away one set in black. So just follow me on Instagram and comment hashtag forgedgarage on the picture that I'll be posting uh, with this particular pictures or regarding this. All right, so if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.